Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode, I will be showing you how you can install any program on your Windows or on your PC. Now, to begin with, first of all, you need to go through this step-by-step process. Now, first step is you need to tap on the search bar on the taskbar there, and then you need to type in Control Panel. Open the control panel, tap enter. There you will see the programs. You click on program. Inside programs, you need to click on programs and features. Now you will see all the programs that has been installed in your PC or in your window. Now what you can do is if you just right click on it, you will see install/change option. You can just click on install. You can just click on this and the application will get installed. Now here I'm going to show you an example. You just tap on install. You tap on yes. You click on yes. Now here you will see the program confirming whether you want to install the application. You tap on uninstall. Okay. And with this application will get uninstalled from your. And you can see with that the application has been uninstalled. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can install any application from your PC or the Windows. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.